This 2-minute Desi glam look is just the perfect one for creating that effortless, gorgeous, smoky eye look. It's just gonna be the perfect one to wear with any Indian outfit and for any everyday outfits, for a kurti, just for a simple day glam look. So I'm gonna be showing you how to create this today. All the products used here are linked below in the description bar below, and they're very affordable, and they're also gonna be perfect for the summers. So let's start off. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Rene Midnight Kajal in the shade brown. This is a warm brown, which is why it's one of my most favorite ones. It's extremely creamy, easy to blend, and once it sets, it will not budge. It's waterproof and smudge proof, which makes it perfect if you have hooded eyes as well, because you do not have to set it with any powder eyeshadow and it's going to remain on your lid throughout the day. So go ahead and you can apply this directly on bare skin as well. You do not need a concealer or a foundation to create a base. Just apply it completely on the lid, give it a good amount of color and pigment, slightly into the crease also, and repeating the same on the lower lash line as well, slightly under the lower lash line. That way we have that color seen outside when the eyes are open. It's going to give you that gorgeous smokiness. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye, and as you can see, I'm not creating too much of a shape. I'm just kind of keeping it all over the lid. That way, it just gives it that depth and it gives it that amount of smokiness to wear on a day-to-day basis. Now I'm going to quickly jump in with my finger and smudging it out. Because it's a cream, it's going to blend very, very easily and quick, making it perfect for everyday look. Of course, you can use a brush and that will also work really well, like what I'm doing right now. Just give it like a good amount of blend and lift it upwards as you blend. That way it is seen when your eyes are open. So I'm trying to keep it very close to the eye because I want it to be daytime friendly as well, and I want it to be beginner friendly. So I'm not creating any elongation. I'm just keeping it rounded and working with the shape of my eyes just to enhance the natural eye shape. The best part about this is that it's a warm brown, which is something I absolutely love because there are so many kajals right now, and this is the only one which is a perfect warm brown. It's gonna look perfect for a smoky eye without looking grey and ashy. Now moving on to the Lakme Absolute Instant Concealer Pen. This has been my top favorite product for the last entire month. So I'm just going ahead and cleaning that entire smokiness. So since I told you we're going to start on bare skin, we're going to do this in the last. That way it gives it that shaping. So instead of concealer in the first, we're doing concealer in the last. And it's also going to give you that good amount of brightness to lift your eyes as well. So just clean slightly under the brow and create that shape in the lower lash line, and go ahead with a blending brush or your finger and softly buff that into the skin. You can also clean and shape it a little more in case when you're blending with your finger, the eyeshadows went a little lower. This is going to give you that proper enhancement, and it's essential that when you're doing a smoky eye, you conceal all the areas around it. That way the eyes can stand out and your dark circles do not interfere with the color. Now moving on, we're going to use the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This one is in the shade black. We're going to go ahead and create that additional definition. And now what we're going to do is to start by tight lining. Again, I don't want to pull this way too low, so I'm only applying this in the waterline. And now I'm going to create a thin liner above. And this is going to act like our eyeliner for that added amount of definition. Also make our lashes look thicker. Plus, it's just the perfect Desi look with some black kajal. So go ahead and apply this along the lash line. And now we're going to go ahead and softly smudge that into the skin. Now because you have a cream base put on before with the brown kajal, it's going to blend extremely quick, which is going to make it achievable in 2 minutes. So it's just super easy. You can do it with a finger or a brush. Both of it is going to work out extremely well. So you can create a matte smoky eye like this or add a little bit of shimmer like me. This is the Swiss Beauty's Cushion Mousse eyeshadow. So these are lid topper eyeshadows and they're basically like a powder form and they have this beautiful sparkle going on. It's going to give you that wet look on your lid without adding too much. So you can see how it looks on my bare skin right now. It just gives you that beautiful iridescent look. Patting that onto the lid, tiniest amount of product with the smallest brush. So you can just add a little bit of sparkle and slowly start to layer on because we want the brown to dominate in the look and not the sparkle. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead with a little bit of mascara. This is the So True Beauty's Dark Spell Mascara. This has a lengthening and a volume one. Basically, it has two brushes, and the top brush will help you to get as less product as possible, making it perfect for the lower lash line. And if you're somebody who always struggles with mascara smudging, and if you feel like the mascara wands are too big, I think this is a great one to go in for. This is going to help you to coat even the smallest of the lashes towards your inner corner, and it's perfect especially if you have small eyes. Now jumping ahead with the pack false lashes, these are my most favorite go-to pair of lashes. These are very comfortable. You can wear them on a day-to-day basis for any events as well. Very easy to use. The band is barely seen. It's also extremely lightweight. So if you're a beginner with, using lashes, it's going to feel extremely comfortable. All this is going to do is to just add a little extra volume, but it's not too long and it's a little more on the wispier side. So make sure you try this look out. You will not regret it. If you're a beginner in makeup, grab these products. All the links are given for you in the description bar below, along with the shades and the names. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.